Hey, this is Jono. Let's make a wee camping equipment video. Got some wood that I gathered earlier, a wee camping chair that I got from a second-hand shop, this bag that I got from a second-hand shop, and the bag is a Temu tent firebox with a chimney and a Temu tent that has a chimney hole. So I'm just going to set up here. I'll just clear some of the weeds. I'll just leave the leaves. Just pull the weeds out. Don't need them in the way. They pull out pretty easy. Should be plenty of space. There's my wee firebox from Temu, and here's the tent. So I'll get that out and I'll start setting it up. Okay, so the tent package comes with there's a pole in there, some ropes, some pegs, the tent, and this here is for the chimney, so I'll have to cut a circle in it, but yeah, I'll proceed to put in all the pegs in. There you go, got all the pegs in. I just used this stone. Ground's pretty good, wasn't too hard. There you go, look at that. It's nice and tight. Don't think it's too tight though. Looks good. Move all this stuff in there now. This is what it's like on the inside. So there's my wee fire. It's got 4 legs. All the components are inside it. And so this is the chimney hole. But so you take that flap there off and put this one on, but I need to cut a circle the size of the chimney. But yeah, I'll set this up first. Okay, so I've cleared some leaves, put the 4 legs down, put the glass in there. There's a wee glass. This plate here that just sits there. There's the pieces for the chimney. There's this wee tool. And then I suppose you use it for pushing bits of wood in as well. There's this grill kind of thing. I think that sits in there like that. Not sure if I'll use that. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this here. So I've just drawn a circle with a vivid. I'm just gonna fold this in half and cut it with some scissors. There you go, rough enough. Now pop that there. So that's on there now, that was easy enough. There's the flap for when you're not using the fire. Alright, that's set up. Looks pretty good. It's going pretty good. Keep putting pieces in. Keep it going. Okay, I've managed to get it going. It's going pretty good now. If I shut the door, it's got a really good draw on it. Just open that right up. So that should get nice and hot. Then I'll start putting some bigger bits on. Just chilling in here now. Got the door open. It was getting pretty smoky. It's possibly getting more smoky because it was this is the first time I've used it, so maybe some of the paint needs to burn off. Just trying to dry the outside of the wood on the fire at the moment. Heats up pretty quickly in here. It's the smoke coming out the chimney. I like the colour of the tent because it blends in. Yeah, there's the wee setup there. Just testing it out. Pretty warm in here, just waiting for that to boil. I'll have some soup. It's pretty hot in here. So I got some basic chicken noodle soup there that's cooked. That's good. What I am seeing is the fire material is starting to get a tinge to it. I don't want to touch it because I'll burn myself, but I'm wondering if it's getting really brittle at the same time. I'll touch the top bit. It's getting pretty hot. I wonder what temperature this stuff here can survive at. So it's getting that tinge on it. Nothing's melted yet. The mechanism for turning the fire up and down is really good. Works really well. So that's fully open. It's half. That's banked right down. And it works, it really works. Quite impressed with that. It's gotten way too hot in here, so I just got the door open a wee bit. And I haven't even burnt through that whole piece of wood that I put in there yet. It's going really good. Put it like that. Chilling out. Got my soup. Plenty of wood. Nice and hot. Finish with a hot drink. This these side things are really handy. Right, time to pack it up. So my plan is to disconnect the chimney and then I'll grab the two grates on the other end and just pull the thing out. So I'm not staying in this overnight, I was just testing it out.